Hey everybody, welcome to the 2024 Broome County Fair. We're here in Whitney Point, and today I'm going to take you around the fair and just kind of show you what's going on, and we'll check the place out. I did a similar video last year, so maybe we can do a little compare and contrast to previous years. Anyway, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, and just want to take a moment to give a shout out to Roseanne Palmisano, who passed away this week. She was a phenomenal aunt, great community member, very big part of my life. And if you want to donate to Mercy House in her honor, I'll put a link down below to Mercy House's website. So I would be remiss if I didn't say, God bless you and Godspeed to Roseanne. And yeah, let's get on with the video. You got the Midway straight ahead. I'm not sure what's going on in this part of the premises. You got a tractor barn over here. There was a bunch of John Deere equipment on the other side. We were just in that building that had like animal facts and sheep in it. And now we're gonna go check out this beef and dairy area. Oh, that cow's taking a pee. And a lot of cows just resting here. Look at these guys. These guys are huge. This one's got a big, got some big hips.
Look at these big black.
I see them. Good thing this isn't smell-o-vision. You guys would be getting a nose full. I like his head. I like the white in his head. It's very nice. Poor guy's got an itch. Oh, look at these guys. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's like, what are you? Oh, look at the neck on this guy. Beautiful. Oh, turkey dinner right here. Listen to that gobble. And his head is so pretty. Look at all those colors. That's wild. Oh, I think I'm making him mad. He just put his feathers out at me. Hey, buddy. What's going on? Look how big this guy is. Whoa.
Charlotte, this one's called Marshmallow. Want to look at it? Because she's white. Really cute.
That's so cool. So yeah, they got all the turkeys and chickens and everything over here. Oh, here's some bunnies. Let's check out a bunny rabbit. Oh, this guy's cool. Giant fur ball. Hey, little bunny. Oh, are you a curious bunny? I love sweet talking the animals. It's half the fun. Ooh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's beautiful. Oh, and this one too. Oh my god, the bunnies. They're too cute. Cuteness overload. Oh, and they got sheep down here. Sheep and horses. Let's go check these guys out. Now, I don't mean to be sheepish, but these guys look like they just got shaved. There's a horse over here. What's his name? Mojo. Mojo the horse. Hey, buddy. Can I pet you? Am I allowed to pet you? Is that okay? No? You feeling a little shy? Mojo doesn't want to be petted.
Hello, horsey.
Gentle.
On the nose. Yeah, that's So Alicia ordered a giant funnel cake. I was a little shocked at the price, but I guess inflation is what it is. We're down here in the, getting into the meat and potatoes of the Midway, or the blooming onion, if you will. And yeah, it's not too busy right now, which is amazing. Although it is like 2 o'clock on a Saturday afternoon, so I'm sure it'll get busier later tonight. We got the, oh, this kid's gonna do a hang time. Got your classic arcade balloon pop games over here. And Pikachu. Pikachu can race up. So yeah, here's the Midway. And next up, we'll probably go on some rides. We are up in the Midway now. You got your Ferris wheel, elephants on big giant spinny arms, whatever the heck you call that thing. I don't know any of the technical terms for these rides. You got the orbiter, which basically puts you up in the air and the arm spins around. You got the classic sock tube slide. There's a fun house thing over there, a car merry-go-round and a motorcycle merry-go-round. And over there you got Flying Bobs. Flying Bobs is like one of those disco things where the cars go in a circle as fast as they possibly can. You got the Hurricane down there. So basically I would say this is geared towards teenagers to younger children. Classic swing ride down that way. And yeah, we're gonna go on some of these, and I'll try to stitch in some footage if I can remember to do it. And yeah, let's make it happen. So what was your opinion of the 2024 Broome County Fair?
It was fun.
Yeah.
Good Midway.
Yeah, it's not...
Kids rides.
The kids rides were fun. It's not huge, but it's got a lot to do. There's plenty of food options. You'll never go hungry.
Definitely.
Lots of crafts too, right?
Some sweet things. Prices were some things were crazy, but some things were more reasonable.
$15 for a fried onion's got me crying a little bit. But what did you get? Strawberries?
Chocolate covered strawberries. There were 4 on a stick that were like frozen almost, and that was $6, which I didn't think was too crazy.
Oh, and they keep you cool on a really hot day like today. So yeah, overall, great time. Thumbs up, subs up. We'll see you guys next time.